Earn up to $50 with Alpha Vantage Coin, AVC. In this video I will present to you Alpha Vantage. Alpha Vantage Coin, AVC, is an Ethereum-based ERC20 utility and governance token for the Alpha Vantage ecosystem, with a mission to bring advanced market intelligence to all financial market participants. First of all, do you like trading and earning free tokens? Well, read this article because I'm gonna let you know how you can earn tokens for free by participating in a trading contest and you don't need to invest any real money. What is Alpha Vantage Contest? The trading contest I'm about to tell you was created by a company called Alpha Vantage. It's a very popular API that provides trading data. They have a huge community of algo traders who use the API to get financial data and use it to run automated trading strategies. They provide data for stock, forex and crypto trading. Alpha Vantage organized a monthly trading tournament called the Alpha Tournament. There are 12 seasons every year. For each season, participants do paper trading on the stock market, and at the end of the season the best traders are given a reward of AVC tokens, the token of Alpha Vantage, which is an ERC20 token deployed on Ethereum. If you want to participate to the Alpha Tournament, it's completely free. All you have to do is register on the website. By using the code XZVFSX you will unlock 250 AVC token. Beside the trading tournament, it's also possible to earn AVC tokens by completing daily challenges to test your knowledge in investing and blockchain. The Alpha Vantage team keeps adding new way to earn AVC token. For example, you can also vote for other tournament participants to mine AVC. On this page you can find all the different ways to earn AVC tokens. So go to the website of Alpha Tournament and register for the next season, and don't forget to unlock your 250 AVC token with the code XZVFSX. The link will be down in the bio.